बहुत शुक्रिया जनाब चेयरमैन। सर आपकी इजाज़त से एक मुतफ़िका करारदार जो है वो मैं अवान में पेश करना चाहूँगा, जिस पे मैं शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ कि तमाम पार्टीज़ ने बशमूल अपोजिशन ने साइन किए हैं। सर बैक टू मूव। This House firmly condemns the hijacking of the Jaffar Express and all acts of terrorism that endanger the lives of citizens and disrupt the peace of the nation. This House resolves to take every possible measure to eliminate terrorism from every corner of our nation and affirms that no group, no individual, and no ideology that seeks to undermine our nation's security, prosperity, and sovereignty will be allowed to spread fear, hatred, and violence within the territorial limits of the country. Furthermore, pledges not to allow any terrorist activity to go unchecked in any part of our country and commits to working relentlessly to root out terrorism in all its forms and manifestations, ensuring that those who attempt to destabilize the country face the full force of the law. This House expresses our deepest respect and gratitude to the brave men and women who have sacrificed their lives in these tragic incidents, recognizing their courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. This House extends sincere appreciation to the Pakistan Army, Air Force, FC, SSG, and other law enforcing agencies for their unwavering commitment, bravery, and sacrifice in safeguarding the lives of the citizens and protecting the integrity of Pakistan. Their heroic efforts in neutralizing the terrorists involved in this incidents reflects the resolve and readiness of our security forces to defend our nation in all costs. Janab Speaker, this House calls upon the people of Pakistan, regardless of ethnicity, religion, or background, to unite in the fight against terrorism and to reject extremism in all its forms, ensuring the peace, safety, and prosperity of our nation for future generations. Thank you.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it and consequently the resolution is adopted. Doctor unanimously ho gaya ye.